Okay guys, welcome to Smith's World. In today's video, I will introduce this amazing platform where you can earn multiple cryptocurrencies without any investment. What I mean any investment, you're not going to be investing any dime. So I will show you exactly how you're going to earn these currencies, multiple currencies. Not this one is not just limited to Shiba Inu. You can choose within a variety of currencies you want to mine, and you can do that. So right now, without any much delay, let's head straight to the platform. I'll show you exactly how it works. Okay guys, so what you need to do right now is hit the link in the description. It take you straight to this platform. So this is the platform I'm talking about. It's a crypto mining platform, and the interesting part of it is when you sign up on this platform, which I'm introducing to you, you get $5 in miners as a bonus. You don't need to do anything. Once you just sign up on this platform, you'll be credited with $5 free for you to attend, so that to activate your miner and start work. So important thing I told you earlier, you're not going to be investing anything on this platform, and you're going to earn for free. So right here on this platform, as you can see, the total number of users so far. This is the total number of paid users, people who have worked on this platform, and the platform has paid them successfully. And this is the number of days the platform has been working so far. That's 15 days. And this is the total number of dollar worth that the people have deposited on this platform. And how does this platform works? You just complete a simple registration form that will take you just some seconds, and next thing is you need to just, after registration, go to the balance tab, replenish your account in a way convenient for you, and start mining in a way. What this means is you can either choose to invest in it, which is not advisable for now. You should use the free miner to mine. And once you hit the minimum withdrawal, you can withdraw these funds to your wallet. So guys, after saying all this, once on this platform, kindly click on the get started button right here. Click on the get started button right here, and a registration form will pop up. Registration form, they require you to enter your username, your email address, a password, and confirm the password, and lastly hit on the not a robot, and you lastly click on a create account and get $5 bonus. As for me, I have already created an account on this platform, so I don't need to go through all these processes. So I'll be signing in straight, and I'll show you exactly how this platform works. Okay guys, right here I will sign in on the platform. I'll click on login. It will take time to load. So this is the dashboard to the platform. This is how exactly yours will also look like. Right here, this is what I was talking about. I just registered. I've not invested anything on it. As you can see, my GHS to mine, and in case I invest, the platform will give me 2% profit for any amount of investment I'm making, which is not advisable for now. And the capacity I've used is I've used this 500 GPS. I've used it all, and I currently have 0% of it. So right here on this platform, I was telling you, you can earn in multiple currencies. You can see right here, you can see the BTC, you can see the DOT, you can see the Shiba Inu. So you can see the Shiba Inu, which I'm currently mining. You can earn the ETC. You can see the other coin. You can see the XRP right here. You can see the BHC, and a lot of them, which are so numerous to mention. What you just need to do is choose anyone your preferred currency. But as for the purpose of this video, I chose to mine the Shiba Inu. So I'll be showing exactly how I have so far mined this amount of Shiba Inu in my wallet. So guys, right here on this platform, after creating an account, you can choose within any of the currencies you want to mine. And what you need to do is select any currency you want. Let's say you want to mine the Bitcoin. You just need to do is just kindly come and click here and drag this button to your desired point. So I'll be dragging this from here to here. So what I need to do is I'll just need to hold this and drag to the desired position, and just take note of it here. Once I drag it here to the desired position, you can see that my miner has been activated, and I've started mining it's a Bitcoin for free. So you don't need to do that. I just give reference to the Bitcoin. Currently, for the purpose of the video, I'll be mining the Shiba Inu coin, and what you just need to do is you have to take this back. And click here and drag it to the desired position. I'll be doing that 100%. Click here to here, and you can see that my mana will also be activated here, and it will be counting live. So guys, it's just basically how to earn on this platform. You can choose to earn to mine like 2 currencies at a time. Let's say you want to mine Shiba Inu and TRS at the same time. So let's say you want to mine 50% because the total is 100%. Let's say you just want to divide it into 2, mine 2 currency and 2 crypto concurrently. You first need to drag this 100% to maybe where it can be 50% less. 50% should be around here. Let's drag it here and see. Yes, this is 50%. This 50%, and you scroll down and let's say that I want to also mine TRS. I'll just come right here and drag TRS for the 50%. From here to the 50% should be around here. I also drag it 50%. So guys, you can see that this thing has also been activated, and I've started mining TRS for live without investing anything. So guys, this is basically how the platform works. You can also earn additional coins on this platform by referring your friends and family. What you need to do is just click on referral right here. Your referral link will be provided for you, which you can copy the referral link and send to your friends and family. This is what I'm talking about. Just copy it and send to your friends and family. Anyone who registers your referral link, you'll be getting a commission. Guys, this is how basically the platform works. And if you so far watch this video and you find it interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if this is your first time on this channel, subscribe and turn on notifications so that whenever we post content like this, you're able to watch. So see you in the next video. Bye.